lot of blown up engines coming from lack of maintenance, a lot of blown up engines coming in from just wear and tear on the bikes. Hey, Josh with Alpine XC here in Sandy, Utah. We are just coming into our fall season, trying to get all of our bikes prepped, racing starting back again. So a lot of things that we're starting to see right now during this lull. It's a good time to get some maintenance done. We do engine services, we do everything on a bike. Engine oil obviously has to be changed a bunch. Air filters need to be changed a bunch, but we don't think about swapping out our coolant, bleeding those brakes. We have a variety of race prep and end of season preps, and including our winterization. These are things that we do on top of the suspension services and tuning that we like to do for performance.